In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads account without campaign. First, open your browser and head to ads.google.com. On the landing page, look for the Start Now button and click it. This takes you straight into the setup flow so you can get your account ready without having to build an ad just yet. Next, sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one if you prefer to keep advertising separate from your personal use. Use an account you'll be comfortable sharing with teammates later, and make sure you can access its recovery methods to avoid lockouts. You'll be prompted to enter your business name and your website URL. Add the site you plan to advertise, even if it's still a work in progress. Google uses this information to tailor recommendations and help you verify that your ads point to a real destination. You may see options to link other Google products like a YouTube channel or a Google business profile. These connections can improve reporting and features later, but they're completely optional at this stage. If you're not ready, skip and revisit them once your account is live. Google will try to guide you into creating your first campaign right away. Since the goal here is to finish account setup without launching ads, look for an option to leave campaign creation. Sometimes it's a smaller link on the page, and occasionally it appears after you click Next on a prompt. Choose that path to proceed without building a campaign. By leaving campaign creation, you can complete the important groundwork, your billing profile and account settings, without spending anything. No ads will run until you deliberately create and enable a campaign later. Now, select your billing country, time zone, and currency. Double check each one carefully. These settings affect how you're billed and how your reports display, and they generally cannot be changed later without opening a brand new account. Enter your business information and payment details. You can add a credit or debit card or a bank account where available. Make sure the legal name and address match your payment method to avoid verification hiccups. It's normal to see a small temporary authorization on your card. This is just a test charge that typically disappears soon after. If you have a promotional code, enter it here. Ensure it's valid for your region and meets any spend or time requirements. Finally, review your account details and confirm any requested information about your organization. When everything looks correct, click Submit to finish. Your Google Ads account is now set up without a campaign, so you can explore the dashboard, adjust settings, and prepare assets before launching ads on your own schedule.